Welcome to Endless Academy, the place where technology meets powerful science facts that shape our everyday lives. If you are curious, if you love learning, and if you want to stay one step ahead in today's fast-changing world, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving deep into a topic that affects millions worldwide: scamming. How do scammers actually work? What tricks do they use? What risks should you watch out for? And most importantly, how can you protect yourself? Stay with me because at the end of this video, you'll be smarter, safer, and fully equipped to recognize a scam before it even reaches you. Let's begin. In a world where technology connects us faster than ever, there is something else spreading just as quickly. It silently crosses borders, hides behind screens, and waits for the perfect moment to strike. We call it scamming. Every day, people lose money, their personal data, and sometimes their peace of mind, not because of they are foolish, but because scammers have mastered the art of deception. Today, we shine a light into that darkness. In this video, we will explore what scamming really is, how scammers operate, the tricks they use, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Let's begin because awareness is the first line of defense. So, what is scamming? Before we learn how to fight scams, we must understand what a scam truly is. A scam is not just a lie. A scam is a carefully designed trap, a trick that looks real, sounds real, and feels real. It is when someone intentionally deceives you to steal something valuable: your money, your identity, or your trust. And here is the key: scammers don't always force you to give it, they convince you to give it voluntarily. They may appear as a friendly message, a romantic interest, a customer service agent, a business partner, a job recruiter, or even a helpful stranger. And that leads us to an important truth: scamming is not just about technology, it's about psychology. As the old saying goes, the mind is the gateway, guard it well. Why scamming works? Now that we know what a scamming is, the next question is, why do people fall for it? Scamming works because scammers bypass logic and attack emotions. And when emotion arise, judgment falls. They use fear. Your account will be locked. Your account will be closed. Greed. You'll make easy money. Love. I need you. Please help me. Urgency. You must act now. Confusion. Verify this or lose access. In that emotional fog, even smart, educated people can get trapped. Remember the saying: when emotions take control, decisions become weak. With that understanding, let's dive deeper. And now we'll see the major types of scams. Scams come in many shapes. Let's break them down one by one so you'll recognize them instantly. Number one, phone call scams. These scams often begin with an official sounding voice, like, your bank account has an issue. Your tax payments are delayed. You must verify your identity. They pretend to be bankers, police officers, telecom agents, even government workers. But the goal is always the same: steal your OTP, PIN, or personal information. A simple rule to live by: if someone asks for your OTP or PIN, it's a scam, no exceptions. Number two, SMS and WhatsApp scams. Just like phone calls, scammers also strike through messages. You might see, your package is waiting, click here. Your account is locked, verify now. You want a reward, claim it. Every suspicious link is a trap. These links may steal your passwords, install malware, or empty your accounts. Think of links like doors. Some lead to safety, others lead to danger. Choose wisely. Number 3. Social media scams. Next, we move into one of the biggest scam hotspots, social media. Scammers use fake giveaways, fake investment opportunities, impersonated celebrity accounts, fake charity requests, messages from hacker friends asking for urgent help, romance scams. They don't just target your wallet, they target your emotions because online trust is easy to build and easier to abuse. Number 4. Online shopping scams. And then there is the excitement of buying online, a perfect opportunity for scammers. You see an unbelievable price, a deal that seems to be too good to be true, and that's usually the first warning sign. Fake shops take your payment and disappear. No support, no refund, no delivery. As the saying goes, cheap becomes expensive when the truth arrives. Number 5. Investment and forex scams. Next come the scams that promise wealth. They say like guaranteed returns, risk-free profit, instant money. But in real investing, guarantees don't exist. Anyone who claims otherwise is selling a dream and planning a nightmare. Number 6. Job scams. Scammers know many people are looking for a job. The scams promise high salaries, quick hiring, and exciting opportunities, but they always ask for money first. Registration fees, training fees, processing fees, and more. Remember, real jobs pay you, they don't charge you. Number 7. Email and phishing attacks. Finally, we enter one of the oldest forms of scamming, email. A single email can steal your identity. Scammers send fake messages from banks, delivery companies, social media platforms, even security agencies. They ask you to verify your details, but verification is just another way of trap. Now that we have seen the types of scams, let's uncover the tools scammers rely on. The psychological tricks are their weapons. Number 1. Urgency. Do it now. Urgency shuts down logic. Number 2. Fear. You will be arrested. Fear forces quick action. Number 3. Sweet talk and flattery. They say like, you're special. I trust only you. Used heavily in romance scams. Number 4. Authority. Fake uniforms, serious voices, official language. People obey authority without talking, even thinking. Number 5. Greed. They say like, easy profit, double your money. The greed blinds caution. Number 6. Fake proof. Screenshots, receipts, fake confirmations, all created to look real. Number 7. Social engineering. Step-by-step information gathering until they know everything about you. And here is a powerful truth. A scammer styles you before they steal from you. And now, let's move the part that truly matters. How to protect yourself from scams. Follow the essential safety rules. Number 1. Never share your secret information. No OTP, no PIN, no passwords, no ID photos, no bank details. Number 2. Avoid suspicious links. If it feels strange, don't click it. Number 3. Verify using official numbers. If your bank calls you, hang up. Call the number printed on your ATM card instead. Number 4. Don't send money to strangers. Not for love, not for jobs, not for opportunities, not for investments. Number 5. Use strong digital protection. Two-factor authentication, strong passwords, updates, and alerts. Number 6. Research before you buy or invest. Check ratings, reviews, physical address, and return policies. Number 7. Trust your instinct. Your instinct is a built-in alarm system. If something feels off, stop. As they say, your intuition is your first security guard. But in case, if you suspect a scam, so what should you do if you sense something is wrong? You should stop immediately, block the number or the account, change your passwords, contact your bank, report to cybercrime authorities. Speed matters, act fast. And finally, let's end up by recording that scammers are creative, but knowledge gives you power. By understanding their tricks, recognizing their methods, and staying alert, you can protect your money, your data, and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching this episode of Endless Academy, where we turn technology and science into simple, powerful knowledge. If today's deep dive on scamming helped you stay safer and more aware, go ahead and hit that like button, the subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you never miss out our next big topic. Remember, knowledge is your best defense. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay one step ahead. This is Endless Academy, signing off for now. See you in the next video.